Sqilah. Enhancing Careers. Chapter 4. Careers in Sourcing and Production. The main pillars of production are engineering, quality, purchasing, and warehouse management positions. Inventory and supply can also fall under this umbrella. Opportunities include roles like packaging engineer, safety and environmental manager, plant manager, maintenance supervisor, quality manager, and more. The job description may include researching and selecting new materials, partners, suppliers, or manufacturers, developing and organizing production schedules, establishing timelines and budgets with clients and internal departments, and streamlining processes based on budgetary data. Sourcing/procurement. Like planning roles, sourcing roles require a solid grasp of logistics, including the ability to balance supply and demand. However, as a sourcing supply chain professional, your focus will be less on optimizing processes and more on interfacing with, or even managing, people. In sourcing, daily tasks include building contractual agreements with raw material suppliers, negotiating product prices at a commercial level, and supplier service. Once you've purchased goods, you'll also be responsible for inbound transportation of those goods. You may hold a job title like Strategic Sourcing Manager, Procurement Specialist, Category Manager, Purchasing Manager, or Buyer. Optimizing the supply chain can drive down the cost of goods and inventory, thereby increasing profit margins, so if you're the sort of person who's driven by the bottom line and gains satisfaction from maximizing profits, sourcing may be the place for you. Logistics Program Manager. This position requires extraordinary flexibility and resourcefulness in looking after internal and external customers and the ability to provide strategic responses and effective solutions to external influences. These are just a few of the key attributes needed for success in this multifaceted and exciting logistics environment. Self-starters with the ability to work independently and balance multiple projects are preferred for this position. Good analytical and problem-solving skills and ability to communicate clearly are added advantages to secure this position. Packaging Specialist. This position is one-point solution for anything related to packaging. The person has to act as the internal and external point of contact for all relevant matters relating to packaging. Developing packaging concepts for raw materials, interim products and finished goods, ready for approval, in coordination with purchasing, production and sales, and also complying with the schedule and budget. The main responsibilities include updating, modifying and documenting packaging instructions/data sheets. Planning and calculating logistics and packaging costs. Calculating the necessary customer and supplier packaging considering the requirements, inventory, and the amount in internal/external circulation. Obtaining suggestions from suppliers regarding the packaging. Carrying out packaging tests, inspections and approvals. Coordinating and communicating the developed packaging concepts with suppliers and/or the customer. Developing component-specific special load carriers. Obtaining quotations and ordering packaging. Maintaining packaging-related master data in systems. Maintaining the packaging-related areas of the customer portals. Logistics Specialist. To manage transportation and related logistics of goods and services to and from customers and suppliers. Understands concepts, methods, procedures and approaches. The roles and responsibilities will include coordinating with respective operations team on project confirmation. Forwarding documentation and coordination with customs brokers. Exemption application. Obtaining internal approvals on freight. Coordinating with shipping location for obtaining pre-alert on time. Forwarding pre-alert to customs broker and continuous follow for clearance as per local law up till last mile delivery. Updating milestone in SAP once the shipment delivered. Updating import tracker post-arrival/clearance of shipments. Coordinating with customs broker. Supply chain manager. SCM has the responsibility to oversee the entire production flow, from sourcing raw materials to delivering finished goods to customers. They have the role of optimizing the supply chain network, managing inventory levels, coordinating with suppliers, and ensuring timely delivery. SCM plays a vital role in streamlining operations, reducing costs, and enhancing customer satisfaction. Logistics Coordinator. A logistics coordinator works to arrange the transportation of goods from one place to another. They prepare outgoing shipments and facilitate incoming shipments for a company. Logistics coordinators communicate between people working sales, distribution, and manufacturing to ensure the shipment process is productive for all involved. Logistics Specialist. Logistics specialists work to maintain the transport of goods for a company. They are a part of the entire shipping process and work to address any issues that arise. They also work with other logistics employees to address concerns with the storage and availability of products. Logistics Analyst. Logistics analysts are data-driven employees responsible for using data to ensure the quality of a logistics process for a company. They may identify ways to increase productivity or streamline processes to improve a company's logistics procedures. Logistics analysts provide periodic analysis and reports supporting logistics operations. Logistics Manager. A logistics manager works to plan and execute the storage and transportation of goods for a company. They manage the cycle of orders including processing, preparation and shipment. Logistics managers can work with customers, suppliers, retailers and manufacturers to increase productivity and customer satisfaction. Purchase Manager. A purchase manager works with suppliers to get inventory for a business. They create strategies to source and purchase goods for companies while developing relationships with suppliers and vendors. Purchasing managers can also manage and maintain inventory databases for companies. The responsibility of the purchase manager consists of sourcing and purchasing goods and services for an organization, negotiate with the suppliers, manage supplier relationships, and confirm the timely availability of materials and resources. Purchase managers have the role to contribute to cost savings, quality control, and overall supply chain efficiency. Operations Manager. Operation managers have to look after the day-to-day operations of logistics and shipping departments. Their job role consists of coordinating activities, allocating resources, monitoring performances, and ensuring that operations run smoothly. Strong leadership and problem-solving skills to manage a team, optimize processes and meet operational goals are the key features needed for an operation manager.